In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit menu items. Shopify Help Center. First, sign in to your Shopify Admin so you're on the main dashboard. Make sure you have permission to manage your store's navigation, since we'll be changing items customers see in your storefront menu. From the left-hand side, open Online Store. This area controls how your website appears to shoppers. If your admin includes a search bar at the top, use it to quickly find the navigation options. Start typing to filter results, then open the Menus section. This takes you to the place where all your store menus live, like your header and footer menus. Next, open your main menu. For most themes, this is the primary navigation customers see at the top of your site. Inside the main menu, you'll see your existing items listed out. Click the highlighted areas on the screen to select the exact item you want to adjust. When an item is selected, you can update its name so it reads clearly on your storefront, and you can choose where it links, such as a product, collection, page, or a custom URL. If you're linking to something within Shopify, use the built-in picker to avoid typos. Keep names short and descriptive, so they're easy to scan. As you move through the highlighted fields, confirm that each item points to the right destination. If your theme supports it, you can also refine the structure by placing items under others to create simple drop-downs. A clean, organized menu helps customers find what they need faster, which can improve conversions. To add something new, select Add Menu Item. Enter a clear name, then choose the link. A good practice is to link to a collection or page you know is published and ready, so you don't send shoppers to a dead end. Double-check spelling and capitalization, because the label here is exactly what will appear on your storefront. When your edits and additions look good, click Save. Saving publishes the changes to your live menu. Give your storefront a quick refresh and test each link to confirm everything behaves as expected. If you don't see the update right away, clear your browser cache or view your site in a private window. On mobile, verify that the menu opens correctly and that labels don't run too long. That's it. You opened your Shopify admin, went to Online Store, used Search to find menus, opened your main menu, clicked through the highlighted fields to edit items, added a new menu item, and saved your changes. With that, your navigation is updated and your customers have a